And now we're gonna see string methods, equalsIgnoreCase, compareTo, and the regionMatches. So we are gonna go to Visual Studio Code, and I'm gonna close this one, and I'm gonna Control all Windows N so I can create a new Java project. So new Java project, no build tools. Okay, that's fine, and it's gonna be here inside of the Java folder, and the name that we are gonna put is gonna be a string. Okay, string compare. Okay, like that. We can close this one, and now we have a new folder here. So we are gonna go into source. We can delete that. Yeah, let's delete it. And yeah, that's better, more light. And now we're gonna have the file, so it's gonna be the same name as the name of the folder. So string compare.java, string compare.java. That's fine. Okay, so we have the string methods, and we have public class string compare. So inside of this inside of the curly braces, we're gonna have our main method. So it's gonna be public void static main, and here we are gonna start. Let me see. We're gonna start here. It's gonna be a string, and we're gonna name it just S1. So we're gonna set it to new string, and inside of the parentheses we're gonna pass in the hello. Okay, so this is gonna be a string. So we have that S1 is a copy of the string hello. Okay, we ended up with a semicolon. That's the comment. We can close it here, and we're gonna do pretty much the same thing. So we can just copy this and paste it here. Okay, so we're gonna have S2, then we are gonna have S3 and S4. So this one is gonna be set to a string, and the string is gonna be goodbye. Okay, it's gonna be a goodbye. This one is gonna be set to happy birthday. So it's gonna be happy birthday, and this one is gonna be set to again happy birthday but lowercase. So it's gonna be happy birthday, like that. This one has uppercase letter. Okay, so semicolon at the end, this one and this one as well. Okay, so we need the system.out. So system.out print format. So print format, and inside of the parentheses we are gonna have, let's move it here, we are gonna have, well, let's open double quotes first. So S1 is assigned S2, S1 is assigned, and then %sign lowercase letter s string to the next line string 2 is assigned %sign lowercase letter s to the next line. Okay, to the next line is string 3, and we can, let me see if I can do this like that. No, I cannot. Let's leave it like that. So S3, then we will have %sign s to the next line is 4, and let me see, this is the final one. So it's gonna be %sign lowercase letter s to the next line and to the next line. Yeah, that would be it. Okay, so that's, then we will have S1, S2, S3 and S4, and yeah, we can save it. And now we're gonna test it for equality. So we're gonna go here outside and we're gonna have if, okay, so if S1 equals well, equals hello, okay, if S1 that equals the string hello, let me see, we're gonna 1 2 3 we're gonna this one system.out.println, and it's gonna be the string. So S1 is the same object as, and then we're gonna have let me see, hello backslash, and then we're gonna close the double quotes. Okay, else, so we're gonna have the else here. So else, we're gonna have the system.out.println, and it's gonna be, let me see, it's gonna be S1 is not the same object as backslash double quotes hello backslash, and we close the double quotes. Okay, so we are testing, let me see, if S1 equals, no, this one, let me see now, if S1 equals, okay, hello, then the system that out a print ln, so the string would be S1 equals, so this one with S1 equals, okay, S1 equals, and then we will have the hello. Else S1 is not equal, okay, let me see, does not equal, okay, so does not equal hello, yeah, like that. So we are testing, let me see, this one is test for equality, okay, and this one here we're gonna move it. Now we're gonna see test for equality but ignore case, so the ignore case, and we're gonna have if let me see, the ignore, no, okay, the ignore case is fine, but first one we're gonna see the equal sign, so like that, yeah. So if S1 is equal to the string hello, okay, false, they are not the same object. So 1 2 3, then we'll have the system that out println, and we will have pretty much let me see if I can, yeah, S1 is the same object as, and then double quotes backslash hello backslash, and we end up the backslash, no, let me see, and here we'll have backslash, we open double quotes, then it'll be hello, and then backslash, and then we open double quotes. Okay, now we will have else, so here will be else, and then we will have the system.out.println, so the system.out.println, and this one would be s1 is not the same object as backslash hello backslash and then double quotes. Okay, and just to finish it, we're gonna test it for ignore. This time for the ignore case. So the ignore case. Okay, so if s3 that equals, okay, s3 that equals case s4 1 2 3, we're gonna have the system.out.println, and the string is gonna say percent sign string equals percent sign s with case ignored backslash into the next line. Okay, so comma s3 and s4. Let me see, and this would be, oh yeah, it has to be print for format. Okay, else we will have the system.out.println, and it's gonna be s3 does not equals s4. Okay, and let me see, so we will just need to compare test compare to, so this would be test compare to, and yeah, we will have just the system.out.println. Well, in all of these cases are gonna be print format. Okay, so double quotes, or let me see, like that, and we can open double quotes. So to the next line is one that, and then we're gonna have compare to, open parentheses, s2, and then we're gonna s percent sign and lowercase letter d decimal. Okay, so after that we're gonna have s1 that compare to s2. Okay, semicolon at the end, yeah, semicolon at the end, and let's move it down, and it's gonna be, let me see, it's gonna be 1 2 3 4 and 5. So we have 1 2 3 4 and 5. Okay, so the second one, this one, is gonna be to the next line, 2 compare s1 and this one would be s2 compared to s1. That's fine. Then this one would be s1. That's fine. Okay, s1 compared to s1 s, and then would be s1 compared to s1. Okay, then we will have the string 3 compared to string 4, and then we will have the string 3 compare to string 4, and finally we will have the string 4 compared to the string 3. So string 4 compared to string 3, like that. Save it. Okay, so we are almost done. We just, to finish it, the test region matches. So this would be the test region matches. Okay, so if we open if s3 dot region matches, and okay, so we have 0 s4 0, and the length would be 5. Okay, so it did it for us. So we will have the system that out of println, and we will have, let me see, first 5 characters of s3 and s4 do not match, like that. Else, just to end it, else one, we will have the system that out that the println, and we will have the first 5 characters. Let me see, this one right here. Here, first 5 characters of s3 and s4 do not match. And here, this one should say first 5 characters of s3 and s4 match with case ignore. So we match with case ignore, like that. And let's test it. So let me see, we save it. Let's test it. And as you can see, we have the s1 hello, s2 goodbye, s3 happy birthday with the the first uppercase letters, s4 happy birthday but with everything lowercase letters. So s1 equals hello. S1 is not the same object as hello, okay? S1 is not the same object as hello. Happy birthday equals happy birthday with case ignore, okay? Then we have s1 compared to s2, that's fine, s1. Then we have s2 that compared to s1 is -1. This one s3 that compared to s2 and -32. And let me see, s4 that compared to s3, and then we will have let me see, I miss to the next line, but it'll say first 5 characters. Let me see, let me double check. First 5 characters, let me see, do not match. So case ignore, that's fine, compared to, and this one I made a mistake here. So this one should be 0. Okay, 0 is 4 0. Let me just close this one like that, and we're gonna, it has to be first one true, is a boolean. 0 is 4 0 and 5. Let me see, that should be it. Let me see, so we have true, we have 0 is 4 0 and 5. That's fine. Let me double check something. This one, okay, the s4 here, we just need to the next line and to the next line. That should be it. We can save it, And now, okay, so now now it's working. So we did everything. Okay, and now we have first 5 characters of S3 and S4 match with case ignore.